Yeah, it's Tony Stark.
Hey guys, welcome back and Merry Christmas from Pixel Insane here again for the usual release of a free material, and today I'm just going to release this beautiful ice material. Well, I released already the snow material, you can check it out in the cards up there and also in the box below. So to stay in the Christmas theme, in the Christmas vibe, I thought to release the ice material. Without any delay, let's jump into Blender and let's check it out. And here we are in Blender 3.3. Select A, and instead of pressing X and then delete, I'm just going to press delete from the keyboard and delete everything. You want to know why? Check the cards and also in the description below. So with everything selected, press delete from the keyboard. Alright, so we're going to add a sphere just like that, bring it up in Z, something like this, scale it quite a bit, bring it up in Z again, something like this, smooth it one time, and then shade smooth, and voila, perfect. Now let's go to the asset browser, let's search for my material, and the ice is right there. So let's go to layout and then material preview, and here we have the ice material. We're going to see it better when it's rendered, so let's create a scene with a camera, a light, and a background. Shift A, plane, I'm going to scale it quite a bit. Then in edit mode, press edge, and then extrude in Z, something like that. Then I'm going to bevel this one, something like that. And then right click, shade smooth. Let's give it a quick material, something medium dark. Something like that, perfect. Now in side view, I'm going to create a light. I'm going for an area light. Let's bring it up like this, turn it around and make it quite big. Something like that. And then in material preview, we have to set scene light and scene world. Let's give it 10,000 because it's pretty big, so we have soft shadows. Let's try to render it quickly. Also, let's turn the world strength completely to 0. And then we can create a camera. So Shift A, camera, and then let's snap it to this view maybe. Something like that. Yeah, I like it. Let's move it a little and then scale this one. All right, also let's increase the brightness of this material because it's going to affect the light as well. And it does. Let's see. Yes, it really does. Also, we want to change the light paths a little. So to half global illumination. And let's play again. Maybe just for the sake of the video, I'm just going to add an environment texture. But I'm going to decrease the strength just to see a little bit of highlights and stuff like that. Let's use this one. Let's increase to 0.3, too much. 0.2 should be fine. Let's see a render. The first thing you can see by selecting the sphere is that there is an actual displacement around. So let's jump into the shading tab so I can show you how this shader works. But before that, let's give it a quick render.
One eternity later.
And this is a quick render. The best thing to do is to jump into my website right now, download the file so I can show you what you're going to get. Alright, on my website, you need to click on the top right here, free materials. And then if you're not a member of my website, you just need to sign up with Facebook, Google, or your email. But if you are already a member, just log in with your email, which I'm going to do. And voila, here we have it right here, the ice material. Also, make sure to check the playlist with all the other materials right here. So let's click on download. Let's put it in our desktop and save it. And then we can go back to Blender. Back in Blender, let's go to File, Open, and then don't save this one, we don't need it. Select ice and then select the ice. And this is the file you will be presented to. Let's go to Material Preview, and here we go. Also, if you'd like to see some shortcuts like this, or like this, or like this, or like this, or like this, please check this video in the box below or in the cards. Like I said before, in the render, we can see an actual displacement right here. In fact, we have it right here. So the cool thing about this, that you can even get rid of it if you don't want to use it just by deleting it. And you can still have a pretty cool material. I'll show you what it uses. This noise texture right here controls the bump and the roughness at the same time. And then this one right here, this is the one that controls the displacement. It's a little bit bigger, and that's all. Let's preview it again. That's pretty cool. Another cool thing we can do is actually add an ice cube. So let's delete this thing and then Shift A, going for the cube. Obviously, we need to do something. And first of all, apply the material right here. but it's not displacing much because we need to add a subdivision surface set to adaptive subdivision and then set it to 0.2 or something like that. And also make sure you are on experimental in the feature set of your cycle engine and set it to simple. And here we have our ice cube. Let's set it to shade smooth if it works better. Yes, it does. And here we go. And voila. But now I'm going to show you how to append the material in another scene. So we're back into default and we just go to a file, append. Let's go to the desktop, ice, and then material right here. And you will see the ice right there and append. Select the object you want. From the drop-down menu, select the ice. And for the rest, it's exactly as it was before, so you already know what to do. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider to do so. Oh, Tony.
You know who I am, and I'm telling you to subscribe and all the other fancy stuff. Pixel Insane is a nice dude. Come on.
Thanks, Tony. And that's it for this video and probably for 2022. I'm not sure if I'm going to release another one, but maybe, we will see. If I don't post another video before 2023, well, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and I'll catch you in the next one.